Okay, Chris, in this video, I'm just going to talk about managing your media. You can use this to upload images for use in any of your content prior to creating that content, or if you just want to organize them. It's probably easier just to show you. So I'm going to click on Manage Media. I'm just going to do it from here so that it opens in the same window, but clicking on Manage Media would give you this window. Okay, and you can see down the left hand side there are some folders there. Now WordPress doesn't have this built in by default. This is actually a plugin called FileBird, which just allows you to organize your images a bit better. So at the moment it's showing uncategorized images. There's 7 of those, and the first 3 here are actually belonging the portfolio item which we recently created. So they can either go in this folder here, or to further organize that, I think it was Algorfa April 2023. So I'm just going to click on that portfolio images folder and then just click new folder, and I'm just going to call it Algorfa April 2023. I'm going to go back to uncategorized, and I'm just going to drag them one at a time. I think you can drag them multiply by using bulk select. So I've just done one there. Let's do bulk select. Okay, so I clicked on the bulk select button. I've got 2 collected there, selected, and then just drag them, and you can see that there are 3 images in there. If I click on that folder now, there are those 3 images. If I go back on uncategorized, this image here is one that I created with AI, which I've used somewhere, I forget where. I'm just going to drag it into the AI generated general images, and if you have a look in there, you'll probably recognize some of these from various places. I don't think that one we actually used anywhere. I didn't like that one, so I'm just going to delete that one. So no, I haven't used it anywhere. That one, oops, thought I could just delete on it by delete permanently. I didn't use that one because it was AI generated and the van was floating in midair. So I might as well just tidy up whilst I'm here, just to show you how it's done. And then that one I did quite like, but AI doesn't do a good job with text, and here it's done something funny with the van. So I don't think I used that one anywhere either. So I'll just say it's uploaded to something. I can't remember that I used it in anywhere. Anyway, I'll leave it at that for now. So that's how you can organize your images. If you wanted to upload another one and you've already created a folder for it, so let's say for example someone's provided you with a testimonial and you've got a photo of them, you can select testimonial images and do add new file, and then select your file here, and then just find your image that you want to use. I'll just see whether I've got a profile image for me at all anywhere. And you can see that my profile image is there now, ready to use with a testimonial if I want to. I'm just going to click on it. As I said in another video, it's very important with these images that you provide some alternative text for them. So just to describe them, it makes it a lot easier to find, and it's also good for search engine optimization as well. So I'll just do profile image for Mark Van Bellen, because that's who I am. I'm just going to select all of that and copy it, use the shortcut keys to do that. Change the title if you want, and I'm just going to paste that into both the caption and the description just to cover all bases. There's no need to click save or anything anywhere, it'll remember that. You can just click the cross there. If you look on these ones, so male testimonial, profile generic, I've only put it in that one there, but if I wanted to be consistent, I could probably just copy and paste it into the other ones. I can click on the arrow to go through them, so I'll just do the same with that one. This was a profile image on Google for Oleg Johansson. Unfortunately very small. I would suggest that you get a photo with your client with their gait, and then you can just crop out the bit for their profile when they do leave you a testimonial or provide you with a testimonial. Similarly there, I'll just close that down. So that's really the media manager. There's not really much else to it, showing you how to delete things, bulk select things, create folders, and that's it.